Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the new GoPlus security token. Ticker symbol is GPS. Now if you follow this channel, all the time I'm referring to GoPlus security audits, because if you look on DEX Screener, DEX Tools, if you're looking in the quick audit section, there is usually a quick audit on DEX Screener by GoPlus Security and Quick Intel Security. And then if you go to DEX Tools, they have a honeypot.is audit, and then GoPlus and Quick Intel Security audits on there as well. So it's a very huge project already. It's a very huge auditing company for crypto, and now they have this new GPS token that is being listed on very big exchanges starting January 16th. And so we're going to talk about this new GPS token and GoPlus security, and we're going to go over all the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, GoPlus Security is building Web3's first decentralized security layer, providing comprehensive protection across all blockchain networks. Through its open, permissionless, and user-driven architecture, GoPlus can be seamlessly integrated by any blockchain or project to protect their users throughout their entire transaction lifecycle. By leveraging AVS and cutting-edge AI-powered security solutions, it conducts thorough risk analysis and delivers smart, efficient, and decentralized security services for users. GoPlus aims to create a more secure and user-friendly Web3 on-chain interaction environment by filling the gap of security layer in the current blockchain's architecture, providing users with a more effective and better experienced on-chain security protection. Now, this token here was just announced. I believe one of the listings was BYBIT, which is a huge central exchange. And then the other huge central exchange I just saw announced that this token will be listed on. It says January 16th at 10 a.m. UTC time, which is, I assume this is going to be the TGE time and date across the board for all these exchanges. It says the GoPlus Security GPS token will be listed on MEXC Global January 16th, 10 a.m. UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token, one way to get it, first of all, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search GPS when this token gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, they do have a webpage, gopluslabs.io. Over there you can find all sorts of links, including a white paper and socials. So it says, since 2022, GoPlus has seen exponential growth, with daily API calls reaching 30 million and security coverage expanding to over 30 blockchain networks. The end user platform has protected over 12 million wallets, prevented tens of billions of potential losses, and detected more than 800,000 malicious assets across different chains. Through partnerships with RPC's rollups and RAAS projects, GoPlus is establishing a fully decentralized security network that scales across the entire Web3 ecosystem. So GoPlus will comprehensively build out its decentralized security networks, deeply integrating security services across the entire life cycle of transactions. From secure asset assurance and management to safe transactions through the Safe Token Protocol for secured token creation and management, and GoPlus app with GoPlus Intelligence for comprehensive transaction protection, GoPlus will ensure security is omnipresent throughout the Web3 ecosystem. So it says, in the Web3 environment, user security currently faces increasingly severe challenges, primarily centered around private key theft, phishing websites, rug pulls, and scam contracts. So according to 2023's report released by Slowmist, the Web3 ecosystem suffered losses as much as $2.486 billion due to recent security incidents, including 191 hacker attacks, 267 rug pull incidents, and a multitude of online phishing scams. So the report highlights that DeFi-related hacker attacks mainly target projects and protocols. However, for individual users, frequent phishing and scam activities are the most common threats. Unlike protocol-targeted attacks, these aimed at users have a broader impact, significantly degrading the Web3 experience, especially for newcomers lacking essential Web3 security knowledge, making them susceptible to scams in the complex landscape of on-chain operations. So, one thing you don't want to do is, you get random emails and you think they're from companies and then you just click on them. And there's a lot of everybody gets them. I get them all the time being like, verify your wallet and all that type of stuff, right? Definitely don't click on those. Always look at the audits, see if there's KYCs, check out the rug check. So GoPlus Security does have a roadmap here with a launch of the security RPC services. So GoPlus SecNet, and then the Sec Hub launch, SecWare protocol opening, release of GoPlus Security AVS, USM SDK release, the GoPlus Stack support for Solana, release of the GoPlus Safe Token Protocol, release of the GoPlus Network Compute Layer, Security Gas Service Model, Security Data Layer Test version, and then we have official release of the Security Data Layer, partial opening of sourcing for GoPlus Security Engine, launch of the SecWare developer platform, and support for more blockchains. So that's their roadmap according to their page here. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find it, or sorry, not the Binance Smart Chain. This token is on the Base Chain, Coinbase's blockchain. You can find it on BaseScan. GoPlus and then Space Security is the name of the token. GPS is the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. Max total supply is 10 billion GPS tokens. So this token will be available on MEXC Global on the 16th. And most likely it'll also be available on tons of other exchanges as well. And I'm assuming for decentralized exchanges, it'll probably be available on Uniswap, maybe Camelot or something, or not, or anyways, it'll be Uniswap, and BYBIT's another place it'll be listed on, and I'm sure there's going to be, KCEX wallets on here as well. Just scrolling through their Twitter, trying to see what exchanges it's being listed on, but definitely MEXC. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.